Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudhlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan rasulullah. Amma ba'd. So, in this occasion I would like to do some TOTD for English project. So, before we go to the topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Al-Fatih Jidanandana and I'm from Nangret. So, and I'm from South Tangerang and living in the West Pamulang. So, yeah, I'm currently at student Aiden Boarding School Pamijaan. So, right now I would like to the material of TOTD is conjunction. So, let's learn about conjunction. So this is the list of content that we could that I will explain it. The first is definition, and the second is type of conjunction, and the third is why our conjunction is important, and the third is practice, is like quizzes. So the definition of conjunction is word used to connect word. Yeah, it's part of speech, um, phrases or clause in the sentence. Conjunction help make a sentence smoother and ideas more connected. So for the example, the first example is I like tea and coffee, and the second is she was tired but she continued studying. So that's the definition and example from conjunction. So next, there are three types of conjunction. The first is coordinating conjunction, and the second is subordinating conjunction, and the third is correlative conjunctions. So what is the first coordinating conjunction? It means coordinating conjunction connect to equal part of sentence, word, phrases, or independent clauses. So, what is the meaning of subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunction connect a dependent clause to independent clauses. And the third is correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction work in pairs to connect equal elements. So, we go to the first of type of conjunction, a coordinating conjunction. They can be remembered using the acronym fanboys. The first is for a reason. The second is an addition, and also the third nor negative addition, and the fourth is but is contrast, and the fifth or choice, and the sixth is yet contrast, and the last is so result. So the example, the first is I was hungry, so I ate dinner. So who want raise your hand for telling the second example? Paman, yeah, you may. Just read the example, the second example. Yeah, read.
Yang she is kind.
Yeah,
She is kind and friendly.
yeah, and the third also.
He studied hard with a good test.
So that's the example of coordinating conjunction. Thank you, Fahman. And next, we're going to the second subordinating conjunction. Common subordinating conjunction is the first is because, although, and then if, when, while, and also before, after, and then the second last is since and unless. So there are example also for subordinating conjunction. So you could raise hand for uh, telling the example. Mana? The first example, you can read it.
First,
Yeah, the first only. Okay, thank you. And then also there is a two example left is although she was tired and she finished her work, and the last is call me when you arrive. So the last type of conjunction is correlative conjunction. This seems like before common pairs, so both and either or, neither or, and not only but also. So for the example, both Anna and Lisa joined at the competition. You can either stay or leave, and she's not only the intelligent but also hardworking. So yeah, ah, so we go into the explanation why our conjunction is important. The first, they make sentence that clear and more detailed and more natural, and they connect ideas logically, and they improve writing and speaking skills. So this is the example. Without conjunction, I was tired, I kept studying. But with conjunction, I was tired, but I kept studying. So we're going to the practice activity. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction. So who want to answer this question? You want? Yeah, you may answer it.
What conjunction?
Yeah,
Uh,
the first.
I wanted to go outside,
Choose.
but
Yeah, but and then ready.
she studied hard. Uh, so
She study hard.
so also that
Yeah, yeah. And then the third,
if
the
the
third,
if
if you need help, call me.
yeah
And
when
last,
he was
because.
late because
Okay. So conjunction is the part of speech in English grammar that serves to connect word, phrases, or classes to make sentence more clear and more natural. So you could understanding conjunction to bring your speech to more connect, more natural, and more clear, so the audience can understand that what are you saying, what are you saying. Yeah. So as you can see before that I already make some quiz to the audience, so we could see that there is a question for conjunction. So I want to go outside. So what is the conjunction in here? There are empty space that we could answer. It's like I want to go outside, and then empty, it was raining. So the conjunction is but it was raining. And the second also, there is empty space. She studied hard. So the empty, we could put it so. She studied hard, so she could pass the exam. And the third, and also same, empty first, and then you need help, call me. So this we feel it if or when you need help, call me. So if you need help, call me. Yeah. And then the last is he was late, and then empty answer, empty word, and then he missed the bus. So you could use because he was late because he missed the bus.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So Jaden, my question is about what is conjunction, Jaden?
The conclusion of this TOTD,
Yes, yes.
make your speech our sentence is more clear and more natural. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
So my name is Yusuf. I want to ask a question.
Yes.
So in what condition we use conjunction actually?
When you want to bring some speech that you want to say it, so we could use conjunction is for more connect words or make the phrases, and then also make the sentence more clear and more natural.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Jaden.
Can we use some sentence in English without conjunction? Conjunction.
Actually, this is for formal only, so you could use it. Yeah, depend on you. You want to use it or not. Yeah, because we using conjunction. Yeah, just to make connect between the word, and then it it makes also your speech or storytelling more clear. Yeah,
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
yeah.
Uh,
Why?
oh, so Jaden, uh, I'm called Reza Jaki from 9A ya. So you tell today about conjunction, right? So, what is a conjunction exactly with a detailed explanation?
Pardon.
Can you explain what is conjunction with detailed explanation so I can understand?
Uh,
Maybe just simple.
Conclusion.
Yes.
So conjunction is like spot coordinating the sentence or word that you could use it for your speech. You could improve it logically for the word. Thank you. Thank you so much for all the attention. I would like to say sorry of some mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.